Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by wiring the Esp8266 and verifying Wi-Fi access. This matters because the assistant relies on network APIs. Flash the basic firmware using Arduino IDE or Platform I/O so the board accepts sketches. Once done, connect a microphone interface. I2's preferred for quality. Then test serial output to confirm audio capture. Make sure to set your SSID and password in code and enable serial debugging so you can see packet exchanges while you move. Now you implement audio capture and local preprocessing. This reduces bandwidth and improves latency, so do simple noise gating and resampling on device. Next, encode audio to a supported format and stream or chunk via WebSocket or HTTP post to your AI service. Choose WebSocket for two-way conversational flow. Once connected, manage authentication tokens and add a small state machine to match requests and responses. Make sure to test with short utterances, then scale chunk size for longer messages. Finish by handling AI responses. Parse the JSON, execute commands, or send text to a TTS engine. Onboard TTS may be limited, so consider cloud TTS and stream audio back. Once done, add retry logic and exponential backoff for network errors, and implement local fallback responses for offline use. For troubleshooting, check serial logs for auth failures and measure RTT to your AI endpoint. If audio drops, reduce sample rate or switch to larger chunks so transmissions are more robust under poor Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.